वेलकम बैक टू द टॉट शो ऑन B4U मूवीज। मैं हूँ श्रुति और मेरे साथ है
नील। बट यू नो व्हाट श्रुति, मैं तुमसे खफा हूँ। मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक मैं स्टार्ट ही करने वाला था और तुमने ब्रेक अनाउंस कर दिया।
ब्रेक मैं नहीं, घड़ी अनाउंस करती है।
घड़ी कौन है?
अरे घड़ी वही जो तुम पहनते नहीं हो।
ओके, चेंज द टॉपिक। ये बताओ कि इस साल हम वेकेशन पे कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम वेकेशन पे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? यानी कि तुम और कौन?
तुम और हम।
या यू थिंक मेरे इतने बुरे दिन आ गए कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ वेकेशन पे जाऊंगी?
No, just giving you ideas यार। परसों मैं अरेबियन ट्रैवल मार्केट गया था and they had some brilliant holidaying ideas, like completely out of the world.
Oh, so you're actually gone to the ATM, huh?
हाँ, ATM भी गया था, सिर्फ 300 दिरहम थे अकाउंट में।
अगर आपने इस साल मिस कर दिया, no problem. Make it next year. Arabian Travel Market is the biggest event of its kind in this region and is represented by countries from all the continents. It's the best place to plan and get a deal on your annual holiday plan.
Well, it is a great pleasure to be here in Dubai promoting Mexico.
It's one of the biggest events in exhibition in tourism field in the Arabic world.
Well, it's the first day, and I must say that they've done a better job this year by actually aligning all the companies in the booths they have. I think they have this alignment for the first time. And the response has been quite good till now, and I hope that by the end of the show we create some good business.
So श्रुति, tell me, इस साल हम हॉलिडे के लिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
झुमरी तलैया।
वाह, I like the idea, man. ये बताओ कि वो मैप में किधर है?
Seriously यार, आगे बढ़ते हैं।
So let's do it. चलो टिकट बुक करवाते हैं।
I mean, what is coming next on the show?
Oh, and that way it is
The Label 24 Fashion Show.
a fashion show on a luxury yacht. Well, now that's my kind of style. Something surely to be talking about.
Label 24 is one of Dubai's premier designer store, and this event was to launch their new collection. The guest list included some of Dubai's prominent socialites and much of the media.
Is on a yacht, and the reason is Label 24. We have got the marketing head Bhavani with us of Label 24. Bhavani, why are we on a yacht?
Hi Neil, we are on a yacht because we thought we'll do a fashion show which will be exclusive for customers, so they can come in and see clothing of latest collection of Label 24 on a yacht.
It was nice. We really enjoyed it. It was a great evening.
From one fashion event to another. दूसरा वाला भी fashion ही है ना?
Yes, it is, but with a slight difference. This one's by a local, यानी कि इमराती designer Zarina Yusuf.
Zarina Yusuf embraced fashion designing through a passion for perfection and has claimed a leading position in the fashion industry of the Arab world. With her sights set on the international market, this lady is one to watch for.
Taj Mahal is all the time is very soft. It's very, white, soft, the colors. I needed to change the Taj Mahal into something more stronger colors to suit the Emirati look, Emirati taste. This is a dedication for Sarah to see Taj Mahal into the eyes of Taj Mahal in my collection.
यार फैशन बहुत हो गया। कुछ और नया है क्या शो पे?
बॉलीवुड?
अरे आई लव दैट. अमिताभ बच्चन. अरे साला आए. नहीं. शाहरुख खान. शाहरुख खान. नहीं. आमिर खान. अरे साला.
Footage की दुकान. But all this after the break.